va? Moi, ça va bien. Et toi? Comment ça va? Ça va bien? Ou oh, ça va mal. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans ma trousse? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans ma trousse? What is there in my pencil case? I'd like you to see if you can work out if the things in my pencil case are masculine or feminine. Are they boy words or are they girl words? Let's have a look. Tout d'abord, un crayon. Un crayon. C'est masculin. Très bien. Un taille-crayon. Un taille-crayon. C'est féminin ou masculin? Oui, masculin. Une gomme. Une gomme. Alors ça, c'est féminin. Une calculatrice. Une calculatrice. C'est masculin? Non, c'est féminin. Un bâton de colle. Un bâton de colle. C'est féminin ou masculin? Oui, c'est masculin. Un stylo. Un stylo. Là ou là? Oui, c'est masculin. Une règle. Une règle. Masculin ou c'est féminin? Oui, c'est féminin. Très bien. Now let's remind ourselves of colours. So listen to me and then repeat. Rouge. That's red. Jaune. That's yellow. Vert. Vert. Green. Orange. Orange. That's orange. Like an orange. Noir. Noir. That's black. Blanc. Blanc. White. I like this one. Bleu. Bleu. Blue. Pretend you're digging now. Marron. Marron. That's brown. How many of those can you remember? Have a go. I'm going to say the French and you can tell me the English. Are you ready? Jaune. It's yellow. Ready? Bleu. Bleu. It's blue. How about rouge? It's red. And what about vert? Vert. That's green. Super! Now here's a challenge. I'm going to say the English. Can you remember the French? Here we go. Red. That's right. Rouge. And what about yellow? Jaune. Très bien. Now it's time to put this all together. How do we talk about things in our pencil case and use colour? So how do we write a blue pencil? Well, the first thing we have to remember is that it's the other way round. So we say a pencil blue. Let's have a go. Un crayon, and then the colour, bleu. Très bien. Let's try another one. Let's try a glue stick. Do you remember the word for glue stick? That's right. Un bâton de colle. Très bien. What colour is this one? Rouge. But we need to put it together. So we need to remember the colour goes after the object. So let's start with un bâton de colle. And let's add the colour. Très bien. Ah, this one's on taille crayon. What colour is it? Vert. Très bien. Remember, the colour goes after the object. So let's try writing it. Un taille crayon vert. Super. But wait, I said there were two things that were different when using colours in French. The first is the order. The colours go after what they describe. But the second is there's two versions of the colours. We've seen the masculine ones, and now we need to see the feminine ones. To make the feminine, we need to add the letter E. Let's do that now. Here we have the masculine form of the word green, vert. What do we need to do to make it into a feminine word, a girl word? That's right, we need to add an E. Let's do that now. Ooh, here we have gris, grey. What do we need to do to make it feminine? Exactly, we need to add an E to the end of the word. Let's do that now. Ah, jaune, jaune, yellow. Yellow already has an E on the end, so we don't need to add another one. We just leave it the same. Nice and easy. Jaune. Rose. Pink. Rose. Rose also ends in an E. We don't need to add another one, so we just leave it how it is. Rose. Rouge. Rouge. Red. Red ends in an E, so what do we need to do? Exactly, leave it how it is. Uh-oh, orange. Orange never changes. It always stays exactly the same. Marron. Marron. Oh no. Marron doesn't change either. Marron always stays exactly the same, just like orange. So don't ever change marron or orange. Let's try this out. I'd like to say a blue rubber. What's the first thing I need to remember? That's right, colours go after what they describe. So I'm going to say a rubber blue. Do you remember the word for rubber? Une gomme. So I'm going to write une gomme. Then I'm going to write the colour bleu. Now because it's feminine, what do I need to do? Add that E. Très bien. Let's try another one. What do we have here? Une calculatrice. A calculator. So remember, the colour is going after
the calculator. So we're going to say a calculator green. So let's have a go. Une calculatrice vert. But because it's feminine, what am I going to add? An E. Une calculatrice verte. Another rubber. Looks like it's red. Let's call it red. So I'm going to say a rubber red. How do you say a rubber? Une gomme rouge. Now rouge already ends in an E, so we don't need to do anything. We can just leave it as it is. Très bien.